A block is kept on the inclined plane as shown in the figure. If the force required to just push it up the incline is 2 times the force required to just prevent it from sliding down. Yes, they are asking to find the coefficient of friction. Right. So just now we did now. Yes. Now do the problem. So what is the coefficient of friction in this case? So which will be equal to mu. Just now we have seen now in this case, which is equal to what? Tell me now. N minus 1 by n plus 1 into tan theta. So here the n value they given us, what are we 2 times not 2 given? We'll substitute the values and get it. So this is 1 by 3 theta value given 45. So that's why